So Google has this really neat trick kind of tucked into its other G Suite apps. You can see I'm in a Google Doc here, and on the right-hand side we have a side panel. And I don't know if you've ever opened it before, but it's a really great way to multitask and be able to keep up to date on all of your work. So let's say I'm here working in a document. I'm working with some students that I advise. We're trying to make plans, and I tell them you need to put this on your calendar. You cannot forget. So instead of asking them to go to a new website or go away from what we're working on, they can just click right here on the calendar, and they have all of their calendar options right here. And so they can click right on over to March 4th, and it would be easier if I just clicked here. And then you can jump over to February 4th, and they can come over and add that they have nightly news at 8 until 3:30. They can add a reminder, they can add locations and descriptions, and because I'm in this document, it's attached. So if they have any questions about what they had signed up for or what they were supposed to do, the document's automatically linked. Like I said, this is not just for a Google Doc. You can also do this in Gmail, right? So you can do it in lots of them, but the benefit of Gmail is that oftentimes when you get emails, they're requests for meetings or for some type of scheduling. So I can be right here in my email. I see a student is requesting tutoring. Let me see if I have a faculty meeting after school. I will go over to February 8th. And after school, nope, I have all the availability, so I can add after school tutoring with Ferris. I could add his name for him to put it on his calendar. And I can add notifications for a reminder for myself to remember to say after school. And again, send that invitation. And it's all right here, one click, don't have to go around. Great tricks for your docs, your slides, your drawings, your Gmail, for lots of different G Suite apps.